recording.
Oh, what?
Good morning, guys. So I'm starting off today's vlog with a very special guest. You want to introduce yourself?
I'm Brooklyn.
That's why she's wearing her shirt that says Brooklyn. Yeah, I'm gonna be filming like a weekend in my life vlog, and it's Friday now, and I've been helping Brooklyn get on the bus for the last, how long? Like 2 weeks maybe? Mm-hmm. So yeah, I'm starting off my Friday morning with her, and she wanted to be in the vlog. Do you have anything to say? Who are your favorite YouTubers?
You.
That's not a valid answer. Who else?
Aviland.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like her.
Okay. That's all?
Yeah.
Do you want to say anything else? Do you want to give a shout out to any of your friends?
Oh, yeah.
Or your sister, who's gonna be very jealous?
I want to shout out to my friend Kaya. She just really wants to get a shout out for some odd reason.
Okay. That's it?
Yeah.
Not your sister?
She really loves makeup. We have a powder room full of makeup over there. So
I surprised her this morning. I have an extra Tarte foundation brush.
Tarte.
So, what'd you say?
Tarte.
Oh, Tarte. So I brought it for her and I left a little note, but we're not gonna tell her so that she's surprised when she comes home and sees it.
Yeah.
So
we're getting picked up early too.
Yeah, they get to leave school early. They're going camping this weekend. Okay, we're gonna wrap up this part of the vlog for now. Yeah. But maybe she'll be in future videos. We'll see. Maybe Emily can be in one soon. Yeah. So I just got to work and I just wanted to like say stuff since like when I started the vlog I was with Brooklyn and it was like super quick. So first thing, her mom knows that she's in the vlog. I don't want anyone to be like worried about that or think that I was just like recording her and like didn't have permission or anything. So her mom knows and like she's totally cool with it. So I leave my house or my grandma's house because I'm living with her now at 6:30 every morning, and then I get there at 7 and then I'm there until like 8:15. And then yesterday and today I worked at 9. So I just like went to Starbucks. I got some coffee and a breakfast sandwich because I'm still like 15 minutes early, but I wouldn't have had enough time to like go home and then come back out for work because Alta's like kind of in between our houses. Yeah, I worked today until 2, and then I'm definitely doing stuff with my best friend Abby like pretty much all day tomorrow. I don't really know what I'm going to be doing today, but obviously I'm about to work, so I will just let you guys know like when more exciting stuff happens, because I'm not going to vlog at work today because like it's a regular sales shift. It's not like it's truck when I was vlogging that one time because like the store's going to be open and I'm going to be helping customers and everything. But yeah, I just wanted to film more of like a formal intro to the vlog and just like let you guys know that that's what's going on. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday now and I am sick if you can't tell. I've kind of had a sore throat coming for I don't know, like 2 days now, and then I woke up this morning and like I straight up just sound like a smoker now. I just made some waffles. I always like just make a lot and then put them in the freezer so that then I can just like put them in the toaster to warm them up. Today is Saturday. I think I explained this a little bit yesterday, but Abby and I were going to go to a spin class today and then get food and then go to Drybar. But as of now, I don't know if we're still gonna do the spin class because Abby's actually on the wait list for it and she's saying that she doesn't feel well. I'm like, obviously I'm sick too, so I don't know if that's like the best decision, but I really want to try one soon. I just don't want to go alone. I don't know why I'm so scared of that, but I don't know if we're gonna do that, but I think we're still gonna go get our blowouts today. If we don't end up doing any of this stuff, I'm probably never gonna post this vlog, so this could be completely irrelevant right now. My mom's on her way over with cough medicine and sore throat medicine for me. But yeah, Abby and I's appointments for Drybar are at 3:15 tonight, so, or this afternoon, not tonight. So even if we do that, like, it's not gonna be for a while. Also, I still have like the Mario Badescu drying lotion all over my face, so if you can see that, please ignore it. This is me fresh out of bed in the morning, still have puffy eyes, and obviously I sound disgusting. Okay guys, so quick update. I showered and I took medicine, so I feel better. I still kind of sound sick, but I definitely feel so much better. So I'm actually sitting here doing my nails right now. I just took my gel off and I'm gonna be testing out these SE like gel couture polishes. I've heard a lot of good things about them and I want to take a break from gel because my nails are really just getting like super damaged, and honestly it's annoying sometimes to like be taking it off and then spending so much time to do them. So I just wanted to try something quicker. So I'll let you guys know what I think about those. So that's what my nails look like right now. I know I have some on my fingers that I have to clean up, but I love the color and it's going on nice and easy. Here, I came over to the window so you guys could see the lighting a little bit better, but this is 3 coats of color and the top coat. Okay, so I just got ready. Ignore the mess behind me, please. I'm standing in my new room, which is pink, but I'm not gonna show you guys much of it. This shirt I've worn so much recently. I was wearing it in my FabFitFun video, but I actually have no idea where it came from. It was a hand-me-down and like the tag is cut out of it, but I'll link some other like similar polka dot shirts. Normally I like to wear my Kendra Scott earrings with this shirt, but since I'm getting my hair done, I didn't want them like dangling and like getting caught and everything, so I wore my necklace as an accessory and I just kept out no earrings. I'm wearing my Nevertheless She Persisted mantra band, and then I'm just wearing some plain skinny jeans, and then these shoes from Forever 21 that have like the bow in the back of them, and then for purse I just have my Kate Spade crossbody bag. It's not very fall-esque, but I'm trying to dress somewhat warm because it's like too cold to wear sandals and stuff, so this is my attempt at a transitional outfit. It's Fran! It's me! I missed you so much!
I know, I miss you! I haven't seen you in like...
Probably since you were in California.
I feel like I've seen you since you...
I don't know.
I don't think we've seen each other since you've been back.
I don't know. How do you like my voice? Don't I sound like a smoker? Or did you think it's not that bad?
You sound like you smoke a pack a day.
Yeah. That's so unlike me though. Fun fact, I vlogged the whole time Abby was in California, and then I lost half the footage and then never did anything with it, so.
She just doesn't want me on her YouTube.
Which is why I'm vlogging with you right now, because I don't want you in my videos.
Yeah.
If you guys watched the video where it was like best friend versus sister, this is Abby. If not, I'll link the video like at the top so you guys can go watch it. So we're gonna go get food and then go get our blowouts. I'm so excited. Fran, don't be embarrassed. Thank you.
Thanks.
Abby always gets embarrassed when I do this in public. But anyways, we just got to breakfast. We're at a place called The Porch. So if you're in Pittsburgh, we're at the one that's near Drybar, but they also have one down like in Oakland near Pitt. So highly recommend. This is my second time coming to it.
That is good OJ.
Do you think it's homemade or do you think they got it from a carton?
Oh, it's definitely
homemade.
Definitely fresh.
It's the real deal. Can you drink it like they do on commercials where they like drink it and then smile immediately and act like they drink like, do you know what I'm talking about? Like when you're watching a Neutrogena commercial and they wash their face by like throwing water across the room.
Throw this across my face. I'm not made for the camera life, but it's fine.
Are you complaining that I'm vlogging?
No, I'm just
you should be glad that I'm documenting our friendship while we're young, so that when we're old we can look back on these and think about the good old days.
Like we think about the good old days when we were like 6
yeah,
and fighting every day.
Yeah. So we got our food. I got the quiche and Abby got an omelet. Hair just got finished. She did a really good job. Alright guys, so we just left Drybar and we walked into each other. Do you like your blowout?
I love it.
I love mine. It's so fun to go and just, my voice is literally cracking with everything I say. But it's fun to just go and like get pampered and stuff. We went for my birthday last year and then we went for Abby's birthday now. So I'm probably gonna go back for my birthday again this year. Oh, now it's in. Oh God. It's literally on my camera. There was a bee that just like, it's probably because our hair smells so strongly. I could spend so much time doing my hair and it still wouldn't look this good. Abby and I have known each other since we were like 5 and we hated each other throughout elementary school.
Yeah, it ended up working out.
Now we call each other Fran Instead of saying like Mrs. and then Abby's last name, I say, hi Fran's mom.
Yeah, and our moms always try to say it, but like they always mess it up.
Yeah, like, so moms, if you guys are watching this, you're not as cool as you think you are.
It's just so cute in there.
I know.
Like that's what I want like my master bathroom to look like in my house.
That's a very like accurate, I would say, like a very accurate thing.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I am home from Drybar now, obviously. And since I'm not babysitting anymore, I think I said this earlier, but I'm gonna use this time to film my 1 year update. I literally cannot believe that a year has passed. It feels like I just sat down yesterday to film the video telling you guys what happened. So hopefully this goes well. I kind of have a list on my phone of the things that I want to talk about, and I'm honestly not holding back with this video. Like there are a lot of things that I feel like I need to address, and I feel like recently I've been really good about just being open and honest with you guys, and I feel like I really have gotten to be good about showing my true self on my channel. And I just feel like in order to do that, like, I don't know, I just feel like a lot of YouTubers avoid conflict, or they don't address a lot of negative things because they don't want to draw attention to that. But I feel like some things have gotten to a point where I just need to. So yeah, I'm gonna film my 1 year update. I'm actually gonna film it on my vlog camera. I just feel like sometimes I'm more comfortable talking to it, and it doesn't necessarily feel like it's as much of a production. You know, I can just like sit down and talk more openly and not necessarily feel like pressured or weird or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I might run home later. I kind of want a fake tan tonight. I was going to earlier, but I don't have my mitt here. Like I brought my fake tan, I just didn't bring a mitt to apply it, but since I like shaved and exfoliated and everything this morning, I feel like I need to take advantage of that and not put a good shave to waste. So I'm gonna probably run home so I can do that tonight. So yeah, fingers crossed that filming this goes okay. I sat down to film the video, and then my battery started dying. I didn't even like think about charging it. I thought it was gonna be fine, but shame on me. So I sat down to film, and then since I had to wait for it to charge, obviously, I just ran home and did that stuff that I told you guys about. Couldn't vlog it because my battery was charging, but I just grabbed like a little bit. That's what I've been doing. Instead of like moving into my grandma's all at once, I've just been like grabbing a handful of things every time I'm home. So I got some stuff, but I'm definitely gonna fake tan now because like I said, my mitt was at home, so I grabbed that. But anyways, since it's like dark now and late, I've decided I'm just gonna wait until Monday to film the 1 year update video. That way I can do it like while it's daylight and everything. But anyways, I'm sorry there have been so many like plan changes throughout this vlog. I was supposed to do a lot more stuff that didn't end up happening, but I'm gonna fake tan. I haven't really talked about it on my channel before, like the fake tan that I use or anything, because I don't do it very frequently, but I use the Saint Tropez Express Mist. It's the only one that I've tried. Actually, I have tried Tan Towel, but this is the only like mist or mousse that I've ever tried. And I like it a lot. I think the color's nice. I normally leave it on for like 2.5 to 3 hours. And just like that, I'm out of the shower. I rinsed my tan off. Even though this is the express one, it still takes like up to 8 hours to develop. So I washed off the initial like color guard, I think that's what they call it. But it still continues to develop. So I got out of the shower, I cover myself in lotion, regardless of if I'm fake tanning or not. The lotion that I always use is the Righteous Body Butter from Soap and Glory. I've gone through so many of these. I just got a new one. I love the smell. I love the way that it feels. I love everything about it. And it's a drugstore line, so it's cheap. Also, to prep for the self-tanner, I always use the Scrub of Your Life from Soap and Glory. I only fake tan like once a month or so, just because like I don't really care about maintaining it. But I was just in the mood too, so I have my Mario Badescu drying lotion on because my face is breaking out right now. I don't know if it's because I'm stressed just with like everything that's going on this time of the year. Also, I started using my Clarisonic again, which I haven't been using for the past like 4 months, so it could be just that my skin's like purging from using my Clarisonic. But this is my Saturday night situation, guys. So yeah, I'm going to finish this vlog. I know this was like so random and probably not that exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for all of your love and everything, especially recently. Obviously, more recently, people have been reaching out and sending love just because of the anniversary and everything. So thank you to everyone. I love you all so much. Like, you have no idea how much your support means to me. So yeah, that's all for today's vlog. Thank you for watching, and I guess I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.